Hey Team Brandon. All right, guess what? It's 9 p.m. Sunday night, the night before Ryan's big, glorious day, his install day. I felt like I needed to get in a little early, give him a little surprise, kind of take his confidence down a few notches. I've got a trunk full of huge, oversized, inflatable candy canes, just some little sweet nothings to kind of send his way, and hopefully it knocks him off their game a little bit.
Sibling Showdown is brought to you by Valley Security and Alarm. We'll focus on the security systems of your premises so you can have peace of mind.
And this episode is brought to you by Preen. Install day, baby. Here we go. Candy canes, too sweet for you to handle. Side effects losing to Brandon? Are you kidding me? This isn't a candy cane house, this is a snow globe house. There's candy canes everywhere. Oh my gosh. Well done, I will say. This is pretty clever, but wait till you see what I have in store for you. It's gonna snow everywhere. Thanks to United Security Bank for their $5,000 holiday cash giveaway sponsorship, where you can win $5,000. All you have to do is go to deyoungproperties.com and place your vote. Will you be the winner? Hey everybody, it's install day here at the Snow Globe House, also known as the Discover 150, where open living meets everyday ease. Come on inside, let's check it out. Excuse the boxes because we are actually working here, rolling up our sleeves. We've got a Christmas tree already. The best part is we have the Preen team, Team Ryan. We have all sorts of amazing people here. We even have somebody from St. Jude. Vanessa, what's up? We're getting our decoration on, and you know the best part about this floor plan is there's a ton of space. Doesn't feel like that right now with the amount of boxes and decorations we have, but we have the beautiful Christmas tree that's getting started here.
All right, Ryan, we have two options for trees, flocked or not flocked.
Okay, so I have been debating this for weeks. I don't know which is the right direction to go, just because I feel like we need to do a flock tree because it's the Snow Globe house.
Right.
But every time I see a flock tree, I kind of feel like the decorations get lost and it just is really muted. And I really want to be bold and make this thing really pop. So I'm not sure really what to say.
I agree with you, but how about we put up both?
What do you mean put up both?
Let's have a flock tree and a not flock tree.
Two trees? I like the sound of that. Do we have space for it?
I think we do.
All right, let's do it. Two trees, I love it. All right, we got all sorts of stuff that's gonna help us win the gold. Here we go. We've got a train set for underneath the tree. We have an elf on the shelf straight from Santa Claus to the North Pole. He's gonna keep an eye on things in this beautiful home. And we have a projector for the entryway to make it look like it's snowing inside. Snow globes are my secret weapon. That's how I'm gonna... Team Ryan, I'm gonna need more snow globes over here quickly. Today isn't just about decor, it's about how the Discover 150 lives during the holidays. This great room has amazing sightlines, perfect for tree placement and gatherings. The kitchen flows nicely, with enough space for my cocoa station and my enchanted snow globe adventure. And this entry is an experience. Right when you walk in, it's snowing, thanks to my projector. Tour our beautifully furnished model homes to experience the Discover 150 lifestyle in person. Thanks to EECU, our Heart of the Showdown sponsor, we will be able to give some serious cash away to some amazing charities, including St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. So a vote for Ryan, the Snow Globe home, means a vote for
the patients of St. Jude, ensuring that no family ever receives a bill for treatment, travel, housing, or food.
Okay, so Vanessa, St. Jude is my charity, so we have to pull out the win for St. Jude and the kids at St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. And now that we have two Christmas trees in this house, and this one's representing our flocked tree here, I felt like this is the perfect spot to represent St. Jude. I know you had some things that we were able to work into the design. Let's take a look at it and see how we can work it in.
Great, all right, very good. First of all, thank you guys so much for your consideration of St. Jude.
You bet.
And so we have a couple of patient cards, and these are patient-inspired holiday cards, and these are going to be used to write Christmas letters. Is that right?
Yes, exactly. So I wanted for kids who are going to be attending the event to send well wishes, prayers, you know, holiday cheer, anything that they would like to the actual kids at St. Jude. And the fact that these are actual drawings from patients at the hospital, that is perfect.
We also have some really cool ornaments too, and these are all ornaments, again, inspired by patient
So
artwork.
cool.
So we're bringing a little bit of St. Jude, Memphis, Tennessee, back to the Central Valley.
That's
so
perfect.
It's really cool.
Having been to the campus, I mean, it is a magical place. There's miracles that are done at St. Jude.
Absolutely.
And to bring a little piece of that with patient artwork to represent St. Jude here in this home, it warms my heart. I'm so appreciative of the support.
We are so excited, and let's start decking the halls here.
All right, let's do it. To really make this home and this part of the house pop, I felt like it needed a little bit of a rebrand. So the new name, the official name, is the Enchanted Snow Globe Journey.
Ooh, I like
Sound
it.
good?
Yes.
Okay, we've got a gingerbread man and his spouse here with a house.
Got a little nutcracker.
Oh, perfect. You won't believe this, but this one is from my house and it is not broken.
Be careful now.
Yeah.
I heard you might have broken one outside.
Yeah, that may have happened.
We've got a nice little village.
Okay. Wow, these are amazing. So these are all available at the boutique?
Yes, everything's for sale.
And Brandon and Ashley thought that they pulled the winning holiday twist with candy cane. Who cares? And mistletoe? Not a chance. Look at this. I mean, this is like Christmas right here.
This Showdown moment is brought to you by Landscape Connection.
What moment in today's episode made you laugh or gasp? Screenshot it, share it to your story, and tag us. We may repost your reaction.
Brandon and RSVP Style are ready to install his home decor. Will his home be a sweet success or a sticky misstep? Tune in to find out. And ask us about our Sibling Showcase Savings event. The first buyer of a select move-in ready home receives $5,000 in extra savings. Hurry, limited time only. See our website for more details.